Let's harvest some plums. These are Santa Rosa plums. It looks like some of the pluots are starting to blush, so love that. All right, so here's what we ended up grabbing. I'm super excited. This coating on the plums, by the way, is totally natural. I didn't spray anything on the trees. I didn't do anything. This is just what they do. Delicious.